Downloading your account data from American Express is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to access and download your information. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Eschark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Account Services. Once logged in, look for the Account Services or Account Management section on the main dashboard. This is where you can find options related to your account data. Step 3. Select Download Statements. In the Account Services section, find the option for Download Statements or Download Account Data. Click on this option to proceed to the download page. Step 4. Choose the date range. You will be prompted to select the date range for the data you wish to download. Specify the start and end dates according to your needs, then confirm your selection. Step 5. Download your data. After selecting the date range, choose the format in which you want to download your data, e.g., PDF, CSV. Click the download button to save the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your account data from American Express. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to the customer support.